Dang, this almost went in the water. Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, SoCal Fisherman. Welcome back to another video. Out here today surf fishing. As you can see, maybe the sand and rocks. So yeah, gotta get out there surf fishing. And yeah, so out here in the reefy areas, kelpy areas. So gonna be seeing how it is here, you know, see what species are out there, because it is still winter technically, but I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this SoCal heat we're getting, but it's been like in the 90s, high 80s, and then this whole upcoming week is gonna be in the high 80s. So we'll see what that does with the fishing. We'll see how it attracts fish to these warmer waters, if the water even warms up. You know, some weird weather we're having nowadays. Yeah, we'll see overall. But yeah, thank you all for tuning in again to another video, and let's get out there. Yeah, so I here have my main line to the swivel, down to my leader line, and got that grunion here on the top hook, and on the lower hook some shrimp. That's a 5-ounce weight parrot. Let's get it. Got the sand spike in there. First cast. Yeah, some pretty big surf out there. We'll see how it does right now with the weight and all that. It is a rocky structure here on this beach, so we'll see if the little torpedo can even tolerate that. Oh, big waves coming. Yes, because it curls up right here. Yeah, so right here, right where these are curling up. Ooh. Yeah, right where these are curling up, there's a big little drop right there. Yeah, I go from like being knee deep to almost waist deep right there. Oh, it's pushing on my setup right, or north. So my next cast, I'm gonna cast more over here. I'll probably have to reel in pretty quick. We'll see how the structure. I might just throw an anchor weight out there. Let me check how the structure is right now. Because right in between these reefs, there's like all sand right there, so I might just end up doing that. This feels pretty sandy overall. Oh yeah, don't push a lot. So 6-ounce anchor weight it is. It's got super strong current. Alright, let's get it. First cast with the anchor weight. Let's wait for this one to pass. First cast with the anchor weight. Oh yeah, what a difference. But with this one, I just stayed out there. on one. Nice. Feels like a nice one. Nice. Feels like a nice one here. Incoming tide. That's what the tide brings in. Okay, I gotta keep tension tight because there's rocks all right there. Reeling up as I step back. Oh, it's a stingray. Yeah, it's a ray. Got down the shrimp. Alright, so we got a little stingray. Let's throw this guy back. Alright, let's go get this back in the water. And let's get it. Okay, go get it back in the water. Let's get it, see what lands. And just wait till the tide goes back so I can walk out with it. Get the next one set out. 6-ounce anchor weight. The dropper loop. Got that circle hook on there. I had to go over to my truck, get that string, because I just kept getting that shrimp stolen from me. So we're gonna see if this keeps it on there a bit longer. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll see. These fish are clever nowadays. These are coming in. Alright, go put a whole grunion on this. Put it like that, that way the hook's still right there. The tail off to let go some blood there. And go tight on. So as you can see, it's already releasing some there. There we go. Nice one. get stuck in the rocks there. Little smooth hound shark. Beautiful colors to it. Got it off the grunion. Found two, putting a whole grunion on there. Battery. Nice. It's like a while since I caught one of these. Nice little battery. Oh, gonna throw this guy back in the water. Nice, took my bait salt. I'll throw another whole grunion. Below reefs. Gotta go wait this guy out. Yeah, he's on there. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys saw that. Little tiny mole or something. Oh shoot! Dang, this almost went in the water. Thank you. There's a fish on that one, stuck in some rocks. And then this fish almost took my whole pole in the water. Oh, there he is. Yo, yo. Dang, that fish got out the rocks. Woo. Sand bass. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Now let's go get this one. I'll put this one up here. Oh, let's get that one. Oh man. Alright, Yeah. Oh, fish came up. Whew. The whole hook came out. Dang it. Oh yeah, the weight came off. Whew. Well, what a day. Look at that. Yeah, so the other one. Ow, 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 ow. A lot of rocks. So on that pole, no luck. You know, ended up getting the weight ended up getting snagged on the rocks. Which yeah, the fish was either way was stuck there and all. Yeah, the waves weren't pulling it back over. But landed this nice calico. Nice calico bass. They said at least a nice 16, 18 incher. Here, I'll let you guys get a different view. Ow, 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 ow. Whew. Wow. Man, a lot of back and forth there. But landed this nice calico bass. Very nice calico bass. Look at that. It's at least a nice, at least 16, 18 incher or so. But yeah, so on that other pole I had one on there, but it got snagged in some rocks out there, out on the little reefs. And as I was trying to handle that, on this side, my other pole was almost going in the water. Some bystander, she was almost already, you know, getting ready to get that pole because it was already like at that point where it's in the water. I'm sure you guys, not sure if you guys caught that on the video there, but yeah. Good thing I ended up getting that pole before it hit the water, because landed this nice calico bass for dinner. Maybe some ceviche, maybe some fillets, we'll see. But either way, these are very good eating fish. This one's going home. Nice calico bass. Yeah, originally it looked like a sand bass, but yeah, I mean, ended up looking at it so quick because my attention was on this one, coming back to this one since it was already going out again. But yeah, what a day. Great way to end the evening though, with this nice keeper. And yeah, so this is it for today. I'm gonna start packing up and everything, and yeah, go call it a day. Gonna end up coming back another day, definitely, you know. Because yeah, high tide today is till like 10 p.m. almost. I'm not gonna stay here till, you know, 10. I didn't even bring my headlamp or anything, but definitely gonna plan another day to come over here during the incoming tide. Because yeah, what a day. This was dope. Yeah, overall, you know, I want to try out this spot, you know, with some shrimp and the grunion I just got during the last grunion run. So yeah, it was dope to get out here, try that out. You know, it was some on and off action, and you know, some huge missed bite. I don't know what it was, but actually two of those. I had two of those that I didn't know what it was, but it was some nice bites. Yeah, go call it a day. Gotta take off now. And for all those of you that have continuously stayed tuned to the channel, thank you all. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys stopping by, watching another video. And yeah, I'll be back out here. Go plan another day. Oh, the tide's about to get me. But yeah, go plan another day to come out here. And yeah, get going on this action. To be continued for this guy's cousin, the bigger one.